8 cooling towers at a decommissioned power station in Nottinghamshire have been demolished. There you go, that was the moment. A series of controlled explosions brought down the 8 114-metre high structures at Cottam Power Station, sending the dust into the air there. The coal-fired complex opened in 1968 and was capable of generating enough electricity for more than 3 million homes, but it closed for good in 2019.
Now to some incredible pictures of the Cottam Power Station's cooling towers being demolished in Nottinghamshire. Demolition set a new world record for the most cooling towers demolished simultaneously. The coal-fired complex opened in 1968. It was decommissioned in 2019.